Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious biscuit jelly. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and prepare our canning equipment. You'll need fresh fruit, sugar, and pectin to create that perfect set. Sterilizing your jars and lids is a crucial initial step for safe preservation. We'll then cook the fruit mixture to its ideal gelling point, ensuring a wonderful texture. Choosing the right fruit is key to amazing jelly. Opt for ripe, flavorful options, then wash and chop them, discarding any stems or seeds. Accurate measurements of sugar and pectin are vital for achieving the perfect gel. Don't forget a splash of lemon juice. It helps balance the flavors and aids in the gelling process. Now, combine your prepared fruit, sugar, and pectin in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a vigorous, rolling boil, stirring continuously to prevent scorching. Test for the gelling point using a cold spoon or a candy thermometer. As it cooks, gently skim off any foam that rises to the surface for a clear, beautiful jelly. Carefully ladle the hot jelly into your sterilized canning jars, leaving exactly 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the jar rims clean, then securely apply the lids and bands. Process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes to ensure a proper seal. Once cooled, store your delicious homemade biscuit jelly in a cool, dark place for enjoyment throughout the year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.